How to send money on PayPal Business without a fee. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can send money with no fee on PayPal to your friends and family. Now, in order to not incur a fee on sending money through PayPal Business, you need to transfer the money to a US held PayPal account and then send the money from a PayPal cash balance or PayPal linked bank account checking account, and then send a transfer over to your original account where you want it to. So first, you have to make sure to go to paypal.com/US and then log into your PayPal Business account. Keep in mind that sending the money on PayPal Business versus the personal account is quite a bit different, and you have to select the option that says pay and get paid, or in my case it's written as send and request, but in your case it could be written as pay and get paid, and just click on it. Once you click on it, on the next specific page you'll see the send button, so make sure you just click on it. And once you click on send button, you can see on the right hand side send money to friends abroad or anywhere else, and just go ahead and enter the name, email address or mobile number associated with the person's PayPal account you're trying to send to, and click on the next button at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you have to simply enter your bank account and everything else, as well as the checking accounts or anything that you're paying from. You also need to enter the amount of USD that you're sending, and you'll also see the fee. Currently it is set to $0.00. So as I said earlier, in order to not incur a fee or sending money through PayPal, you need to transfer the money to a US held PayPal account and then again send the money from your PayPal cash balance or PayPal linked bank account checking account, and then just click on the send payment now button at the bottom of the screen. That's all it takes to send money on PayPal Business without a fee. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to your channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.